applications requiring high-strength, long-term removable attachment, 3M Dual Lock Reclosable Fasteners are the innovative alternative to traditional mechanical attachment. Combining 3M's leading adhesives technology with Dual Lock's unique interlocking stem design, customers all over the world have experienced Dual Lock as the faster, more flexible alternative to metal screws, clips, and liquid adhesives. Whether attaching interior panels in passenger rail cars or buses for easy assembly, maintenance, and replacement, mounting sign and graphic displays, enabling invisible and flexible attachment even outdoors, bonding architectural wall panels, allowing your commercial real estate to keep ahead of the changing market, or even in withstanding extreme temperatures or high-stress operating conditions. 3M Dual Lock has the solution to support your design behind the seams. Unlock simplicity with 3M Dual Lock Reclosable Fasteners.